Hello, hello, hello. This is White Eagle Girl, and I have another freaky situation. It's been 2 years when I am driving my Kenworth T680, and it's been quite long and time to do some cleaning. It's Christmas coming, so you can see the drawer, the main drawer from the fridge, because this is the subject, and this is the drawer from under the fridge. Both of them piece of cake for someone who is very patient to take it off. So here is my clean fridge. Unfortunately, I have to take off the face of my freezer drawer. It's empty. Everything is just aluminum, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this pantry fridge from under the pantry fridge, yeah, it's called cold room, to that place below the fridge. And this is how much I could reach to clean it up, because the water is always going down when you're defrosting your fridge or you are putting in the off situation. So this is my smart little flashlight, help me to clean. And now I'm going to install the fridge drawer. So, and I'm going to tell you how it works to take it out. Okay, so it's sliding in, and now we're going to close it. You can see, and doesn't go anywhere else. Now, here is the trick. I'm going to show you the trick. Okay, on the side you can see this little piece of plastic. So this one is going down, and from other side you will see the same stuff here. It's going up, and then I'm sorry, my video is going around, and then you are able to pull it out, clean underneath where the water from the fridge is going straight to the little hole in here and going under that drawer, and stinks like hell after some time. So good luck and Merry Christmas to everybody. Be safe. Bye bye.